Magandang araw sa inyo kabos, mga kabicolano, mga kanagenyo, asin sa kabos na nagdadangog sa Satuyang Solo Podcast today. For today's episode, ang pag-uusapan natin ay isang mainit na topic sa Naga City and the wider Bicol community. Ang balitang hindi muna matutuloy o isuspend ang Miss Bicolandia 2026. Base sa post sa isang local news page ng RMN WNX Naga, kinumpirma raw ni Mayor Lenny Robredo na hindi man muna matutuloy ang Miss Bicolandia this year. Ang pangunahing dahilan, mataas ang gastos at may agam-agam na kung sapat ba ang makukuhang private sponsorship para punduhan ang event. Now, on the surface, parang simpleng cancellation lang ng isang beauty pageant. Pero kung babasahin natin ang comment ng mga tao, nakikita natin na mas malalim ang usapan. Hindi lang ito tungkol sa pageant, tungkol ito sa pananampalataya, kultura, public spending at public politics. At kung ano ba talaga ang dapat priority ng isang siyudad. Una, pag-usapan natin ang context. Ang Miss Bicolandia hindi basta-basta pageant lang na para sa maraming Bicolano. Matagal na itong bahagi ng regional culture. For many people, it is the one of the most anticipated event during the Peñafrancia season. It's bring glamour, tourism attention, candidates from different places, and the sense of regional pride. Pero ang Peñafrancia Festival itself is first and the foremost regional celebration. Sentro nito ang devotion kay Ina, Our Lady of Peñafrancia, asin sa El Divino Rostro. Kaya para sa ibang netizen, tama lang natanggalin muna o ipagpahinga ang isang mamahaling pageant na kung magiging pabigat lang ito sa budget. Maraming comment ang nagsasabi ng ganitong punto, ang Peñafrancia hindi dapat naging tungkol sa bonggang event, concert, pageant o palakihan o pagpapakitang gilas. Dapat ang focus ay pananampalataya, devotion, solemnity at community. And honestly, that is the very important point. Kung minsan ang festival nagiging masyadong commercialized, nagiging palakihan ng stage, pasikatan ng guest, pagandahan ng production, at paramihan ng gastos. Pero ang tanong, kapag religious festival ang pinag-uusapan, hanggang saan dapat ang entertainment? At kailan ito nagiging distraction from the original purpose? Pangalawa, andyan ang issue ng financial responsibility. Ayon sa explanation, ang Miss Bicolandia ay isang pinakamagastos na activities during the Peñafrancia Festival. Kung kulang ang sponsors at malaki ang kailangang pondo, may dalawang opsyon ng Naga City. Kahit mabigat sa budget or spend muna and avoid unnecessary spending. Marami ang pumori sa desisyon because they say it is practical governance. Para sa kanila, mas okay nang maging honest. Kung walang sapat na pondo, huwag ipilit. Hindi kailangang mangutang o gumastos ng malaki para lang masabing bongga ang celebration. This is where the public reactions becomes politics. May mga commenters na ikinakumpara ang Naga City sa provincial government ng Camarines Sur. Especially sa issue ng malalaking festival like Kaugma. May mga nagbabanggit ng malaking loans, million gastos, concert at ibang big public event. Whether people agree or disagree with this comment, malinaw na ang cancellation ng Miss Bicolandia become a symbol. For supporter of local decisions, it became a symbol of discipline. Sinasabi nila, mas okay ang gobyernong marunong huminto kapag hindi practical. Mas okay ang leader na hindi inuuna ang pabunggahan. Mas okay ang public fund na napupunta sa essential services kaysa sa one-night entertainment. Pero siyempre, sa kabilang side din, hindi lahat masaya sa kanselasyon. May mga nalungkot. Para sa kanila, sayang naman ang tradisyon, sayang ang exposure for candidates. Sayang ang tourism and cultural value. May isang valid point din mula sa critics. Ang Naga City is already a highly urbanized city. Kaya may nagtatanong, kung HUC na ang Naga, bakit hindi nito kayang i-sustain ang isang historic and regional event? The question deserves a serious answer. Being highly urbanized city does not automatically mean unlimited budget. Maraming responsibilities ang HUC: infrastructure, health services, education support, waste management, traffic management, social services, disaster preparedness, and more. So, kahit mataas ang status ng city, kailangan pa rin ng prioritization. Pero bali din ang disappointment ng iba kasi nga ang Miss Bicolandia ay hindi lang basta gastos. It is also culture, heritage, tourism, and regional representation. Kung mawawala ito, kahit temporary lang, may emotional impact sa community. Then, there are the funny moment. Nasayang daw kasi nagpractice sila sa kanilang pageant walk. Other made light-hearted remark, which shows sometimes very Filipino and very Bicolano. Kahit seryoso ang issue, may humor pa rin. May halos disappointment pero may biruan pa rin. Balance take. So, what we can learn from this? For me, the issue is not simply pageant versus no pageant. The real issue is, what should public celebration prioritize? The pageant can be funded responsibly through sponsors without sacrificing public services. Then maybe it can continue in the future. But if the city has no stretch its budget, take financial risk, or divert funds for more important needs, then cancellation or suspension become understandable. Hindi ibig sabihin na anti-culture ang decision. Hindi ibig sabihin walang value ang Miss Bicolandia. It simply means that at this moment, the cost may not be justifiable. At the same time, the Naga City government it should also communicate clearly. Kung suspended lang, sabihin kung temporary. Kung may plan to revive it, explain how. Kung private sponsorship ang problema, maybe the city can explore a lighter version of a pageant, a cultural showcase, or a regional partnership model. Because people are not just reacting to an event, they are reacting to what the event represents. For some, Miss Bicolandia represent pride and traditions. To others, it represents unnecessary spending. For some, Peñafrancia should be solemn and religious. For others, festival can both religious and cultural. At the end of the day, the issue reminds us the governance is about choice. Every peso spent on one activity is a peso not spent somewhere else. Every major event has been weighing against the needs of the people. The cancellation or suspension of Miss Bicolandia 2026 may disappoint some, but also open an important decisions. How do we celebrate Peñafrancia? It's a way that honor faith, protect public funds, support culture, and reflect the value of the community. Maybe the answer is not to abandon traditions, to rethink how tradition is funded and represented. Sento ka, boss? What do you think? Tama lang ba na i-suspend muna ang Miss Bicolandia? Or should the city find a way to continue it? Because it is a cultural importance. I think the most important thing is balance. People first, responsible spending always, but without forgetting the traditions that help shape Bicolano identity. Maraming salamat sa pagdangog. Diyos mabalos, and see you on the next episode.